Hello dear student, welcome to all of you in my online maths video class. In our last video class, we are discussing about the quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Okay, and it was exercise 5.2. All the question whatever given in exercise 5.2 that is based on factorization method. Factorization method. And you know that in factorization method, what we do, the standard form of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. Okay, and in my last video class, I also explained how to solve the quadratic equation with the help of this method, factorization method. Here I choose some question from exercise 5.2 and I am going to explain that question. Okay, so let us start. So one question from that is question number 8 first. The question is a square x square plus 2ax plus 1 is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. This is the question, and we have to find the value of x. On the basis of this, we have to find the value of x. Okay, so here this can be written as actually ax whole square plus 2ax plus 1 equal to 0. So here now let ax is equal to 1, then it will be y square plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. Now this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is 1, c is 1, and here b is 2. Now we multiply a and c. Here 1 into 1 is equal to 1, and now break this into part such that the addition of this should be equal to 2. So here 1 can be written as 1 into 1, because 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Okay, now we can write like this way: y square plus 1 plus 1y plus 1 is equal to 0. This implies that here y square plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. This implies that y plus 1, take one common, here y plus 1. Okay, this implies that here y plus 1 and again y plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, but here y is equal to what? Ax. What is the value of this? Y is equal to ax. Then we can write ax plus 1 is equal to 0. Now by 0 product rule, ax plus 1 is equal to 0, or here also ax plus 1 is equal to 0. So this implies that ax is equal to minus 1, again ax is equal to minus 1, here x is equal to minus 1 by a, and here also x is equal to minus 1 by a. In this way, the value of x is between minus 1 by a and minus 1 by a. Two solution, and the solution will be of the same kind. Okay, here it is very easy to solve. Another method I will see: ax square plus 2 ax plus 1. Basically this is the extension of ax plus 1 whole square is equal to 0. This can be written as ax plus 1 ax plus 1 is equal to 0, and this implies that x is equal to minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 using zero product rule. Here also this is also a method. According to your convenience, you can use any one method. Okay. Now let us see the next question. Let us see the next question. And that question is this. Question number 10 first. Question number 10 first. Question number 10 first is root 3 x square plus 10x and plus 7 root 3 is equal to 0. Okay. Again, this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. What do we do? Multiplication of a and c. Rough. Here, use as a rough. So here, root 3 into 7 root 3 is equal to 7 into 3 is equal to 21. Okay. Now break 21 in two parts such that the addition of that two part is 10. Why? Because this is plus. It will be 7 and 3. 7 3 are 21 and 7 plus 3 is equal to 10x. Get it? So here it will be root 3x square plus at the place of 10 we can write 7 plus 3 x plus 7 root 3 is equal to 0. Okay. Now root 3x square plus 7x plus 3x plus 7 root 3 is equal to 0. Now it will be better make a group this and this. Then how we write? Root 3x square plus 7x plus 3x plus 3 root 7 root 3 is equal to 0. Now what is common here? Here x here also. Then take x common. It will be root 3x plus 7. Okay. Now what is common here? Here 3 and here root 3. And we know that 3 can be written as under root 3 into under root 3. Therefore, if we take here root 3 common, then what happens? This can be written as like this way. So 1 root 3 will be cancelled. Only root 3x. And here root 3 cancel, it will be 7. Again, root 3x plus 7. Then what is x plus root 3 is equal to 0. So this implies that x is equal to minus 7 by root 3 and it will be minus root 3. Why? By applying 0 product. Like this way we can find its value. Okay. Here in denominator given root 3, so we can rationalize it also. For rationalization, we multiplied root 3 in both numerator and denominator. Okay, and its value will be same, root 3. Then here minus root 3 will be 3. It will be 7 by 3. And here root 3 and minus 1. So we can write like this way also, then solve the solution. Now let us see the next question. That is question number 13 second. X plus 2 upon x plus 3 is equal to 2x minus 3 upon 3x minus 7. Here it will be better we take it in bracket. Now cross multiplication is multiplied by this and multiplied by this. Cross multiplication. This implies that x plus 2 and here 3x minus 7 is equal to x plus 3 here 2x minus 7. Okay, let us see the question is correct. X plus 2 upon x plus 3, x plus 2 upon x plus 3 is equal to 2x minus 3 upon 3x minus 7. Now how we multiply it? Take this and multiply this out. It means here x into 3x minus 7. Then this one plus 3x minus 7 is equal to here x 2x minus 3 plus 3 2x minus 3 like this. I can do like this way so that there will be very minimum chance of the state will not be wrong. Do like this. So now 3x x it will be 3x square x 7 minus 7x plus 2 into 3 6x and here minus 4 is equal to 2x into x, it will be 2x square minus x into 2 minus 3x again plus 3 into 2 6x minus 3 3 okay. Now what? 3x square and here minus 7x 6x, it will be minus x minus 14 is equal to 2x square again this will be plus 3x minus okay. Now transfer the left hand side to right hand side. But we get 3x square minus x minus 14. This side, so minus 2x square. This side, minus 3x plus 9. Now 3x square, 2x. It will be x square. Okay. Now this minus x minus 3x. It will be minus 4x. Over now this minus 14 plus 9. It will be minus 5. Now this is in the standard form of the quadratic equation. Now what we do? We just multiply AC. A here 1 and C 5. 5 1 is 5. Means 5 break into part such that their difference should be 4. 5 can be written as 5 into 1 and the difference of 5 and 1 is also 4. It means at the place of 4 what we can write? At the place of 4 we can write 5 minus 1. So here x square minus at the place of 4 we can write 5 minus 1 into x minus 5. Now come to this side. So this implies that x square minus x and a 5, it will be minus 5x and minus minus plus x minus 5 is only common this. It will be x square minus 5x plus x minus 5. What is common here? That is x. It will be x minus 5. What is common here? 1. X minus 5 is equal to 3. Now what is common? X minus 5, x minus 5. Common. And what will we get here? X and here plus 1 is equal to 0. Now by 0 product 2. By 0 product 2, x is equal to 5 and minus 1. This is the solution of the question. Okay. So similarly, some more question is given on the same base. Question number 14, first, second, 15, first, second, and now let us see 16 first. Okay. Let us see 16 first. Other question we do by ourselves. Let us see the 16 first question. 16 first. Question number 16 first. What is the question? The question is a upon ax minus 1 plus b upon bx minus 1 is equal to a plus b, and it is given that a plus b is not equal to 0. Means the value of the sum of a and b is not equal to 0, and The product of A and B is also not zero. AB is also not zero. And in this situation, we have to find the value of x. Now we make some adjustment in this question. Okay? How we do? How we do the adjustment? We do like this: a upon ax minus 1, and with a we take b minus b. We can write. Okay. Int is also given. You will take the help of int plus b upon bx minus 1, and what is left now? A minus is equal to 0. Now, if you transfer b to this side, it will be plus b, and this to that side will be plus a. Means a plus b, the value will be same. Now what we do? Here we can write. It can be written by 1. Here we can write 1. The LCM of this and this will be ax minus 1. Okay. Then here a minus b into ax minus 1. Okay. Similarly, plus here it will be, the LCM will be bx minus 1. It will be b minus a into bx minus 1, like this. Now we multiply, then it will be a minus abx, a minus abx minus plus b, and denominator ax minus 1. And here plus, it will be b minus abx plus a upon bx minus 1. See carefully, the denominator is different, but the numerator is same in both the term. In first term, a minus ab plus b, and in second term, a minus ab plus b. Same. So here, this can also be written as, we take a to this side and b to that side, the value will be same. Means we can arrange it like this. At the place of b, we write here a, and at the place of a, we write. Now take common as numerator. A minus abx plus b. If you take common, then what do we get? 1 upon ax minus 1 plus 1 upon bx minus 1. Okay? Equal to 0. Okay, don't forget to it. Right? Now again, by 0 product 2, this value is equal to 0, or this value is equal to 0. Now by I 0 product a minus abx plus b equal to 0, or 1 upon ax minus 1 plus 1 upon bx minus 1 is equal to 0. Now what we can write? Take this minus abx to that side, and it will be a plus b is equal to abx. Okay? Or we can write here ax minus 1 bx minus 1, because the LCM of this and this will be equal to its product. Then it will be bx minus 1 plus ax minus 1 equal to 0. Okay? Means first this or this. Again, from here, from this, we can write x is equal to a plus b upon a. The value of x will be a plus b upon ab. And here, if we multiply this to 0, it gives 0. When this transfer to this side, it gives 0. Or we can write here bx minus 1 plus ax minus 1 equal to 0. Why? 0 into this value. finally its value will be 0. I hope you understand. Bx minus 1 plus ax minus 1 upon this. If this transfer to this side, then this will be multiplied to 0. Its value will be 0. Means left hand side will be 0. And in right hand side, when we write this numerator. So one solution is this. Here x is equal to a plus b upon ab r. Now what we write? Bx plus ax minus 1 will be minus 2. So we can write here bx plus ax minus 2 is equal to 0. Again we take minus to that side, it will be plus 2. Okay. Now again here this will be same r. Take x common, it will be a plus b is equal to 2. This implies that this same r x is equal to 2 upon a plus. It means here also we have two zeros are x. The first one is a plus b upon ab and the second one is 2 upon a plus b. In this way we can solve this equation also. Okay. So here this is the solution of the question number 16 first. Now let us see question number 16. Second is also important. You go through it by yourself. Now I would like to solve question number 18 second. 18 second. Let us see question number 18 second. Here 18 and this is second. 18 second is what? Under root x into x minus 7 is equal to 3 root 2. This is the question. Now squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. We get what we get. Here it will be x minus 7 under root whole square is equal to 3 root 2 whole square. What will it be? It will be x into x minus 7 is equal to, because here the square root, then square root of the square root of any value is equal to the same. Here the value will be same, and here the square of 3 will be 9 and under root 2 will be 2. Like this way. What we write now? X into x will be x square. X into 7 minus 7x. 9 to 18, come to this side, it will be 18 is equal to 0. Okay. Now again, this is the standard form of the quadratic equation. We break the product of a and c. A is 1, c is 18. Means 18. We break 18 in two parts such that their difference should be 7. Their difference should be 7. Why difference? Because c is negative. So we can write here 9 into 2, 9 into 2 will be 18, and difference of 9 and 2 will be 7. And in this way you can do now by yourself and find the two solution of the x. In this way we just try to complete some solution of the exercise 5.2. Some more question is given, question number 21, 22, 23 up to 23 question. In my next video I would like to explain one or two questions from this, and if you have doubt you can ask through the comment section. In next video class we will discuss about the solving quadratic equation by the formula. You should complete your pair copy up to 5.2. So this is the homework. Solve up to exercise 5.2. Okay, thank you.